Hi, welcome back. This is part two, where I just do some chart analysis on some of the products that I trade. So before I do that, just the legend, so you know exactly what's there. So the black numbers are going to be support and resistance levels based on trend lines. Pink numbers are going to be breakout levels. And claret numbers, they're just going to be horizontal levels where I've identified support or resistance, generally based on double or triple tops or bottoms. So just starting with the Dow, the stock market finished strong on Friday. So I've got resistance 38,950 and I've got support at 37,874. S&P, I've got resistance at 51.67 and support at 50.19. I've put the Fib levels on there just in case the market decides to sell off. Nasdaq finished higher on the week. I've got resistance at 18,309, 18,052, and I've got support at 17,417. Again, we've gone back into a little up channel there. Pound against the dollar, I've got resistance at 126.37 and I've got support at 124.83. I put the Fibs on there just in case it sort of starts to move a little bit higher. The euro against the dollar, resistance is 109.75 and support at 106.71 and 106.42. So Bitcoin had a bit of a sell-off last week. It managed to recover on Friday, quite a lot actually. So I've got resistance at 755. I've got resistance at 63,768. I've got support at 57,499 and 57,665. If it breaks through this 50 sort of level, then it's very bearish, but I can't see it getting there. I mean, it seemed a little bit oversold last week anyway. Gold is just sort of moving just slightly lower. It's trending slightly lower at the moment after its amazing rally that it's had. I've got resistance 23.82, also 22.84, and then I've got support at 2223 and 2202 as well. Oil. So WTI, it's been selling off last week just because geopolitically things are improving. Also a bigger build for US inventories. So and Asia was off, so we may see the Chinese coming in to start buying. Now it's back below 80. So I've got resistance at 83.83, and then I've got support at about 77.90, and then I've got the Fib levels on there as well because they could come into play. Obviously we're through the 382 at the moment, testing the 50, and then of course you've got the golden ratio, the 618 lower down, which is the lime green colour. So that's it. There's a couple more slides to go, but have a great week trading. Just remember, I trade the futures, so this is based on the futures data. You would need to sort of calculate the difference between these and CFDs if that's what you're trading price-wise to be able to work out your levels. But you know, the support and resistances will hold in. They're based on dailies, so that they're longer term rather than disappear tomorrow. Have a great week trading. So just a little heads up on my services. So I offer a daily newsletter that includes global news, headlines, my views. That's a subscription service. I also offer one-day workshops. you know, this helps you to discover if trading could be your next career or maybe just a secondary income. But you know, the one thing is, because I offer a variety of them, is I can also just fill in any gaps that you may have with your current trading, or you know, whether it's macro or actual trading skills. And then I offer a 1 week intensive course. You know, that's going to make you feel confident and competent after just 1 week. And you know, that's going to basically give you the foundations on which to build your trading career. You know, I'm going to help you find that inner trader, and that also now includes a free trading challenge. And then there's my Flexi Masterclass. That's 6 weeks of guided learning, but you can spread them out. You don't have to take them all at once, and that does help to accelerate the learning curve. And that's designed to provide you with all the knowledge and trading tools that you're going to need to navigate these markets, you know, and any asset class, you know, whether it's financial, commodity, digital, I'm involved in them all. And as I say, the weeks can be spread out there, and that also includes a free trading challenge. Trader mentoring, so you know, maybe you've already got some experience but you're looking to get to that next level and you're struggling to do that. I offer mentoring by the hour, by the day, or a monthly subscription. It's entirely up to you, but you know, I just want to help you guys to reach that next level time and again. And of course, I provide lots of trader educational content, not just to individuals but also to exchanges and brokers. And if you're looking for that funded trading account, you know, so you don't have to risk your capital, then contact me for details. I've got 2 good ones that I use. Okay, so finally, as usual, just ending with a disclaimer. So, you know, if you're already involved, then you'll know this. If not, then please take serious note of this, that trading does involve the risk of loss of capital and it's not suitable for everyone. However, I do hope it is for you. And now, because there's leverage involved from many companies, just be careful, because you can lose substantially more than that initial investment. You know, the regulators are a bit more on top of that these days, but you know, even so, just be a bit cautious. Everything that I include in these just purely for educational purposes. I'm not trying to encourage you to trade or invest. That must be your decision. And of course, before you make that decision, you've got to consider the risks involved. And that includes your financial situation, definitely your level of experience, definitely your risk appetite, and of course, only risk capital you're prepared, but more importantly, that you can afford to lose. And if you've got any doubts whatsoever, you know, first of all, think twice before you do it. Speak to a financial advisor. And do that before you risk your capital. You know, I have so many people come to me because they've lost money. I'd rather they come to me and learn how to do it and not have lost the money in the first place, because that's just a waste of their savings. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed these, and you know, I'll be doing these on a weekly basis, so I'm going to post the links in places so that you can get to them. My new website will be finished soon, but in the meantime, you can reach me at the email address below on all the slides, which is chrisjtubby55@gmail.com. And all I can say is I wish you a wonderful week, best of luck with your trading, and hope to see you again next weekend. Bye for now.